Hello kids, welcome to SAVITA PHAWADE ACADEMY. My dear friends, today we learn in grammar section about articles A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. O and the. Kids, which picture this one? Owl. O-W-L, owl. Okay. This one? House. This one? Chair. Very good. This one? Umbrella. Students, this one owl. Spelling O-W-L, owl. But before owl, which word we write here? An owl, the owl, a owl. See? O-W-L means if. Nouns starting vowels. All of you know vowels? About vowels? 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And here is a O. So, an owl. Okay? That type we write here. This one, house. House spelling H-O-U-S-E. Then how we write? The house, a house, an house. H-O-U-S-E. H is a consonant letter. So, where is a consonant? Before we use which article? O. O, house. Okay. Where? This one, umbrella. Umbrella spelling U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U. U is a vowel. So, how we write? An umbrella. Very good. Then, what about definition? When we use an article, an, this one word, an is used before words starting with a vowel sound. See, this one U, this one U, vowel sound. Before vowel sound, use an. Before vowel sound, we use an. An. An is used before words starting with a vowel sound. All of you understood? Very good. Which picture this one? Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. How we write here? A chair. 5 we write here A or A because of C is a consonant. Okay. A is used before words starting with a consonant sound. Okay. So we use here a chair. See here. An is used before words starting with a vowel sound. A is used before words starting with a consonant sound. Okay. These words are called articles. All of you understood? Again we revise. An is used before words starting with a vowel sound. And A is used before words starting with a consonant sound. Which is a vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. And remaining all are consonant sound. Okay. Then before A, E, I, O, U, always which article we write down? An, and remaining all consonant letters we write down A, O. Okay. These words are called articles. What about articles? Before vowels always we write down an, and before consonant sound we always write down o. Kids, then question answer time. Question first. Write a or an, a or an before each word. First one, book. B, this one a consonant, so a book. This one, chair, 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 C, consonant, so a chair. Ant, a vowel sound, so an ant. Next, orange, o vowel sound, so an. Apple, a vowel sound, an apple. R, consonant sound, so a rock, R-O-C-K, rock. Next, elf, e vowel sound, an elf. Ox, o vowel sound, an ox. E vowel sound, an egg. Hat, H consonant, a hat. Shoe, S consonant, so a shoe. In, I vowel sound, so an in. Next, flag, F consonant, so a flag. Door, D-double-R, door, D consonant sound letter, so a door. This one, oven, O vowel sound, so an oven. Next question for us, fill in the blanks using a or an, a or an. Here is some sentences. First one, Satya ate dash dash apple. Apple, a vowel sound, so Satya ate an apple. And dash dash banana, B consonant, so a banana. Then how we write down? Satya ate an apple and a banana. Next one, I will give you dash dash ink. I vowel sound, so an ink. I will give you an ink pen tomorrow. Then how we read? I will give you an ink pen tomorrow. Next, we visited lake. We visited dash dash lake, L consonant, so a lake. We visited a lake. It had dash dash island in the middle, I vowel sound, so right here an island. Then how we write down this one sentence? We visited a lake. It had an island in the middle. Kids, now see here this one. Which picture? Aeroplane. Aeroplane flying in the sky. Please listen carefully. An aeroplane. Why we write here an? Because of a vowel sound. So an aeroplane. An aeroplane is flying high in the sky. This one about aeroplane. More information given here. How aeroplane flying? High in the sky. Flying high in the sky. Okay. Next. The aeroplane is carrying many passengers. The, this one an is a article and this one the is also articles. Then we learn about the articles. Okay, the aeroplane is carrying many passengers. This one aeroplane, this one aeroplane can carrying many passengers. This one a particular information about this one aeroplane. Okay, see here. In the first sentence we say an aeroplane, but in the second sentence you can see here, this one first sentence we saying an aeroplane. In the second sentence we saying the aeroplane. Why we using the aeroplane? Because we telling about more information, means particular information, special information about this one aeroplane. So we saying the. See here, the aeroplane is carrying many passengers. In the first sentence we say an aeroplane, but in the second sentence we saying the aeroplane. The is used to say something more about the noun aeroplane in a particular. This one aeroplane is a noun. Okay, then the is also an article. So the is also an article. It is used to say something in particular about a person or a thing. Okay, when we use the, when that one animal, person, thing, places given particular information, okay, special information, that time we using the. The next question, students, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. First one, he is dash dash artist. This one is simple sentence. Artist, a, this one a vowel sound, so we write here which article. Very good, he is an artist. Very good. The next, my father bought dash dash new book yesterday. New, and this one a consonant letter, so we write here, we use here o, article. Then how we say this one sentence? My father bought a new book yesterday. Next one, I have dash dash aunt. This one about one person, aunt. Aunt, I have dash dash aunt. This one person. Okay, a, u and t. A, this one a vowel sound, so we use here an article, an. I have an aunt. And see here about aunt, you can see here more information given. She lives in a Dehradun, so we write here the aunt. We have the aunt, she lives in Dehradun. Okay, see here, the child is in garden dash dash. Which article? We write here G means consonant sound, consonant letter, and we write here O, the children. Then how we say this one sentence? The child is in a garden. Next one, it is dash dash popular show. P, this one a consonant letter, so it is a popular show. Next, dash dash show is watch. It is a popular show. The show is watch. Okay, the show is watch, because about show more information, more particular information given here. Many people watch this show, so the show is watch. Okay, we use here the article. The show is watched by everyone. Next one, we saw dash dash elephant. E, vowel sound, so we saw an elephant at the zoo. Kids, next one question, About article, complete the paragraph with a, an, or the. See, Sunday, this one a noun. Which noun? Common noun. Very good. Sunday is my favorite day. Kids, next question for us about article. See, complete the paragraph with a, an, or the. See, Sunday. Then tell me, Sunday, which type noun? Proper noun. Sunday is my favorite day of week. W, which sound? Vowel sound or a consonant? Very good, consonant. So, a week. Okay. Sunday is my favorite day of a week. The next, my friend and I always watch films on Sunday. We usually watch dash dash film. F, a film in dash dash cinema near my home. In C, cinema near my home. The, in the, here. Okay. Cinema near my home. We like all kind of films. Next, sometimes we watch funny. A, funny. One day, sometimes dash dash action. A, action. A, this one a vowel sound, so an action. Okay. My friend is big fan of Harry Potter films. My friend is a big fan of Harry Potter film. After watching that film, my uncle takes us to restaurant. The restaurant. I always buy dash dash ice cream on the way back. I means an ice cream. I hope this one grammar section articles lecture useful for all of you. Thank you for watching.